Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to type text in photopea. Let's begin. You can use image or any document. That's first of all, select the text, type text, double click, resize the text and press select the transform control, distance, rotate, or you directly choose your angle. Example, use 180 degree, press enter, and use 19 degree, press enter, or right click, rotate 19 degree, rotate 118 degree, flip horizontal, flip vertical, and you choose your style. Right click, scope, rotate, warp, and warp. Again double click, warp, select your style. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.